up, guys? My name is Ari, and in this video we're going to be having a look at GALA games, see where GALA can potentially go in the near future. We're going to be having a look at some of the crypto market as well, because we know Bitcoin is king. So Bitcoin obviously has been taking a massive dump, and ever since it's been straight out flat. So if we have a look at Bitcoin in the last 7 days, 0.2% in the last 7 days, in the last 24 hours 0.3%, nothing too crazy. Ever since Bitcoin did take that massive dump right here about a week ago, which was right here, I believe at 20 something like that, $30,000, we pretty much dumped all the way down to 26,000, and we've been pretty much flat consolidating after this massive dump. For a lot of people, there's been a lot of liquidations. A lot of people suffered from this dump, especially futures traders, and we're gonna see how this can potentially affect GALA. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. So having a look right here at GALA games, currently sitting under 2 cents. The market cap is below $500 million. I did mention that I would like to see GALA games go below $500 million, because I still think right now it's overvalued, considering that it's still in a bear market. So the fact that this is $500 million and we're still in a bear market, a lot of cryptocurrencies suffered. And of course, I wouldn't be surprised if GALA dumps a little bit more if we see Bitcoin go all the way down to $21,000. Now, here's the big thing about GALA games right here. First of all, this is a downtrend for GALA. There's no question. If we take this right here and we kind of put it a little bit closer to this trend line, we can see that the trend is your friend until it bends. And this has been a very aggressive downtrend for GALA. Now, remember, this is a daily time frame. Ever since we peaked right here on January 23rd, 2023, or January 30th, sorry, 2023, we've pretty much entered a massive downtrend, came down. We did have a nice little rebound right here at the golden ratio, which is a 6.18 Fibonacci level, before popping to the upside, getting rejected multiple times on a downwards trend line before essentially breaking that golden ratio Fibonacci. Now, obviously the Fibonacci did become a resistance. So if we have a look right here, we came back, retested, got rejected before coming back down once again and then hugging that trend line. So this is a very important trend line here for GALA games. Now, if we have a look right here, we also have a very important support here. Okay, so can this be pretty much GALA games pretty much only chance to surviving? Because we know if GALA comes below this level right here, which is approximately 1.5 cents, we could see a massive crash on GALA. Now, remember guys, this is the daily time frame, and we know the higher the daily time frame is, the more crucial they are. If we have a look on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that GALA right now has been consolidating, has been pretty much flat, the same thing as Bitcoin has been pretty much been doing in the last 7 days. And we could see GALA hasn't done more than 8% moves in the last 7 days, right? And obviously 8%, you might think that it's a lot, but for a market cap that is only $500 million, it's not that much. The trading volume has and is right now $29 million compared to last week. So if we have a look at if we think about the trading volume that was last week, it was pretty high. It was anywhere between 80 to $120 million. Total supply, circling supply, is sitting at 25,691,462,000, and market cap, obviously, like I said guys, sitting right here. Now, if we have a look right here at the last year market cap, we can see the market cap did go after GALA V2 came out from $227 million all the way to 726 million, making it almost a 2.5x return on that. Now, the interesting thing about this is if we have a look at the last here on the price, we could see that the price didn't increase at all whatsoever. Now, I'm not cause FUD whatsoever. I'm not trying to cause panic, but we could see that the market cap did go up and the price did go down, which is pretty bad, because in order for investors to essentially get their money back, they would have to essentially go back to a $230 million market cap. Now, I want to see GALA get shredded. Yes, shredded by 50% before I essentially get in again. I want to see GALA at a $230 million market cap coin again, because I don't like how high GALA is. Now, a lot of people say, oh, you don't know anything, the market cap has always been high. Well, clearly on Etherscan it hasn't, clearly on CoinMarketCap it hasn't, and CoinGecko it hasn't. I mean, only a few people say, oh, the circling supply on GALA has always been $26 billion. That's not true. The circling supply gets increased almost every time. I don't know if you guys remember, but the last time I made a video on GALA about the circling supply, not a video in general about the circling supply, the circling supply was approximately 33 or 34 billion dollars. So the circling supply obviously keeps on increasing. And obviously, if we have a look right here at GALA game in terms of price, the circling supply right here at $241 million was approximately $7 billion, and a lot of people claimed that it was wrong. So I don't know if that's true or not, but that is my video, guys, on Gala. We're gonna have to see what is the next big move for Bitcoin, in my opinion. Gala is clearly in a downtrend right here, as you guys can see. If we remove this upper resistance, we could see that Gala is in a descending triangle, and the big question is will we break up or to the downside? Well, there's two targets. If we break to the upside, our target is most likely going to be 2139. If we break to the downside, our target is most likely going to be 1641, which will meet exactly with this support level right here. So we're gonna have to see what Bitcoin does, because like I said, guys, if Bitcoin cracks down below $25,000, we're most likely going to see Bitcoin and altcoins essentially bleed, and that's about it. So in the last day, the market has been pretty much in red. In the last hour, it's been in green, but barely. I mean, 0.5, 0.6, 0.4, 0.3, nothing too crazy overall. In the last month, things have been heavily in green. August has been for crypto, in my opinion. Bitcoin is down 11%, which is a lot of money, shredding over $110 billion in market cap. So that is my quick video, guys, on Gala game. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.